Hi, in today's video you're going to learn some vocabulary while baking reindeer cookies with me. I bake these reindeer cookies every single year, and I thought it would be nice to share the recipe that I use with you. The first step is to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Once you've prepared your ingredients, you're going to need
a big bowl, a food mixer, a rolling pin, a baking tray, greaseproof paper, and a cookie cutter.
Want to learn more Christmas vocabulary? Watch this video right here and visit my Etsy shop to get some exercises. Link in description. Okay, let's do it. And here are my reindeer cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a like and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!